Don't butt in. Understanding everyday English phrases. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in English. Don't butt in. This is a common expression, but what does it really mean? Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it correctly in your everyday conversations. The phrase, "don't butt in," is an informal way of telling someone not to interfere in a conversation or situation that doesn't involve them. It's often used when someone is interrupting or giving unsolicited advice. The word "but" here is used metaphorically, suggesting the act of pushing or intruding, similar to how a goat might butt with its head. This phrase is commonly used in casual conversations. It's important to note that saying, "don't butt in," can sound quite direct or even rude. So, it's best used in situations where you are familiar with the person and the context is informal. For example, if you're discussing something with a friend and another person interrupts, you might say, "Please, don't butt in. We're having a private conversation." If you're looking for a less direct way to convey the same message, consider phrases like, "Please, let me finish," or, "I appreciate your input, but I'd like to handle this myself." These alternatives are more polite and less confrontational. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting, "I understand your point, but please don't butt in while I'm speaking." 2. Among friends, "Hey, don't butt in. We're trying to solve this between us." Understanding phrases like, "don't butt in," is key to mastering conversational English. Remember, while it's a common phrase, it's best used in informal settings and with people you know well. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using and understanding everyday English expressions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.